Summertime. It's summertime. Oh, what's going on there, YouTube? It's your boy Rocky from Rockside RC. Just want to welcome everybody back to the channel. We have a new unboxing today. Old unboxing, but new unboxing today for you guys and for me, myself also. Because you know what? I haven't unboxed it yet. So it's a new unboxing, right? Let's get to it. All right, so today we have the Kyosho Wave Chopper. This is the 2.0 version. I've had it for a few years. Pardon me, I don't know if you see the dust on top of the box, but I figured I'd share with you guys something new, something different for the channel, right? So like I said, I'm always trying to do something different, trying to do something new for you guys and for myself also, so we can all enjoy it together, you know? That's what Rockside RC is all about. I want everybody to enjoy this RC game all together, basically. That's what it's all about. So let's get this thing out the box and let's see what it's all about, okay? I believe this vehicle is brushed. It is not brushless. I'll give it a test run, of course, today and see if it needs to be brushless or keep it brushed, you know? For the people who are not, I guess, familiar with this vehicle, again, this is made by Kyosho. This is the Wave Chopper 2.0. They do come in two different colors, just to show you guys. So you have the blue color, and then you have the green color. You got your Yamaha, and then you got your Kawasaki, right? So this is a 1/6 scale radio control vehicle. So let's get to it. Of course, they give you instructions, your manual, of course. So you got that. Oh my goodness. This thing looks sick. This thing looks so sick. All right, here it is. Out the box. They give you vinyl tape. They give you a vine plug. They give us the guy, or they give us the rider, driver, or vehicle. So they give you the remote. They give us it's like a 2200 NIM battery with the Dean's plug on it. This is the NIM charger. Even though this is a ready-to-run remote, I kind of like the Kyosho remotes. We'll save Bubble Boy in the bubble wrap. All right, there we go. Nice. Just to show you guys. Oh, okay, arms move. Nice. So the head does not swivel. The arms do move up and down. Nothing else is movable on the body, just the arms, okay? We'll have them do some push-ups over here so you can get in shape. Let's go. Do those push-ups, bro. Let's get it. All right. So looks like we have two clips at the top to take the body off. You got your one clip here in the front and your one clip in the rear for the rear, of course, right? Okay, let's take this off. Oh, yeah, nice. They give you the tape so you can reseal this, because right now it's actually sealed with that tape. Pretty cool. I don't run these batteries. I'm not gonna run this NIM battery on it, to be honest. Most likely I'm just going to change this connector to IC3 and run my IC3 batteries on it. If I do not like the ESC, most likely I'll upgrade the ESC also. We'll see what happens with that. But for now, very cool. Very, very cool. You know, I just started getting into the boat scene, or yeah, basically I just got into the boat scene basically, I think kind of last year. I mean, I've had the boats for a while, for a few years to be honest, but as far as me actually using them, trying them, this is my first year actually. So, all right, I think he's done doing his push-ups. Okay, so they give us a stand. I had to assemble a stand, pretty easy to put together. So, okay, so looks like I'm gonna have to assemble the steering, the seat. Okay. Just one screw at the bottom. So just so you see, it goes through the seat here. And it connects to the tail or rear of the guy, just to show you that. Guy's all set now. He's ready to go. He's on the seat. Just to show you the bottom. Okay, and then we have one more screw that we have to install up here in the front, and that goes to the body. Goes through right here, and that will connect the seat and the rider to the unit. Here we go. Here we go, Governor. So the easiest way to put that last screw in here, this last screw for the actual seat to be connected to the actual top mount of the jet ski, the easiest way was to just look through the tunnel of the seat basically, and you can actually see the screw protruding through the top half of the jet ski, and you can catch that front, screw in the seat. Okay, everything looks like it's pretty good to go. This dude is ready to ride now. All right. Let's see here. Boom. Okay, good to go. Good to go. So what do you guys think about the Kyosho Wave Chopper 2.0? Is this something that you probably will pick up, or is it something that you already have already? If you do have one, please fill me in on your insight on it. Basically, did you like it? Did you think it was cool? Did you think it was a piece of crap? Yeah, just honestly let me know exactly how you feel about it. I'm definitely gonna take this thing out after, like I said, after I change the plug, because like I said, I use the IC3s anyway, so we'll update that, and we'll finish this video at the beach, right? Summertime, right? It's summertime. So let's act like it's still summertime, which it is, of course, and get these, watercraft vehicles out on the water, right? Like they're intended to be. So, all right, let's get this thing out. It's your boy Rockside, or Rocky from Rockside RC. Let's get this thing going. All right, let's go. Everything is very cool. Oh, I think the battery's starting to die. I'll keep them close.
Already?
Back. It actually went backwards? I never even tried it yet. I know, I see. No. Yeah, I see. No, you don't want the water to get inside the boat.